Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you about the 6 basic steps to clean your body. This is called Shadkarma in the yogic sciences. Shadkarma means Shad means 6 and Karma means procedure. These are the 6 main procedure by which we can clarify you or we can detoxify our body. Now I am going to tell you about the toxins. What is the toxins and how it comes in our body. Generally, God made natural food supplements for our body, natural vegetables, natural fruits, natural dry fruits. That means these are the natural foods which we have to take. But what we do or we take some unnatural food supplements like that contains lots of chemicals, lots of preservatives and lots of procedure have already done on that type of the food supplements. That type of food supplements can produce lots of toxins in our body, and that toxins can cause lots of harm to our body. So it's our responsibility to remove these toxins from our body. So in Shadkarma, there are the 6 steps. Number 1 is Nali, number 2 is Dhoti, number 3 is Neti, number 4 is Basti, number 4 Tratak, and number 6 is Kapalbhati. By these 6 steps, we can expel out toxins from our body. So let's start. Number 1 is Neti Kriya, or you can say Jal Neti. In this, we use normal water or sometimes we use a saline water. Neti Kriya can be performed with the saline water. In this, you have to take some saline water in your palm and then pour this saline water in your nose from one side of the nostrils. Take like this, and then you can expel it out from the other part of the nose. Okay. Now repeat it again from the other side. Take some saline water in your hand and take it from the one side of the nose, and you can expel it out from the other side. So this procedure is very safe and very hygienic, and this is very effective. Some people can also use neti pot for this. By doing this procedure, you can clear your respiratory passage, you can remove the allergens from the respiratory tract, and you can see that your respiratory tract is clean and some allergic diseases can be reduced by this procedure. Second procedure is Dhoti Kriya. Dhoti Kriya, you can say that is the dhavan of your body, in which we use normal water and we drink it from the mouth up to the full of the stomach, and after that you can expel it with the or you can vomit it from your mouth. Okay, you can take 4 to 5 glasses of water and then you can expel it with the help of vomiting. Okay, some people can use lukewarm water, normal saline water you can also use, and you have to take it full of stomach and then you can expel it out. Third procedure is called Noli Kriya. In the Noli Kriya, there is the movement of the intestine, or you can say the gentle movement of the stomach or intestine. By this, the all ingredients inside your intestine can move and they can expel out with the stomach. So this is a very good procedure to expel the excretory and waste product from your body. Next procedure is Vastikarma. In this Vastikarma, you can take normal water and you have to put it inside your anus, and you can take near about 1 liter of water. When this water goes inside your body, it goes to your all large intestine and it reduces or it can expel or all excretory or waste product from your body. This is a very good sloughing out the toxin from the body. This is very good procedure to slough out the toxins from your body. Next procedure is Tratak, in which you have to concentrate in a single point. You can take a candle also, you can take a point in your wall and you have to concentrate. Even you can put a finger in front of your eyes and you can concentrate like this. Okay, by which you can increase your memory, you can increase your capacity of taking stress in your body, and you can strengthen your mind. Sixth or last step is Kapalbhati. With the Kapalbhati, you can purify your mind, your lungs also. It is very effective, and by which you can increase the oxygen concentration in your body. And when the oxygen concentration is increased, you can open your lots of channels in your body. So all these 6 steps are very, very important to detoxify your body. So if follow these 6 steps, I hope this video is very, very helpful to you. If you like this video or if you get some information from this video, just like my video and subscribe my channel and share my channel. Till then, namaskar.